Hello! So last week the Verge put out a video about how to build your own gaming PC. So I'm going to take their advice and I've decided that I was going to build my own gaming PC. Hold on a second. As you can see here, I've got all the parts that you need to build your own gaming PC. We got everything that we need, and we got this empty case right here, and we're going to fill it up with all manner of good stuff, and then I can have my own brand new gaming PC. I'm so excited. Now remember, I'm using the Verge's video as my inspiration on this. I'm going to show you guys how easy it is to do what the Verge said to do and build your own gaming PC. Let's get started. Alright, so first things first, we got all these wires. The tower came with all manner of stuff on it, so I imagine we'll just kick these wires out of the way. I think they'll be plugged in at some point or another, but I don't know where they go at the moment. So alright, they said the first thing you want to do is take your motherboard. Here's the motherboard, right? And we're going to figure out how this goes in. I imagine that this goes in kind of like so, right? So that all the thingies kind of connect with all the thingies. Now you need your screwdriver. Alright, we got our screwdriver. And you need screws. I imagine these screws will work. We're going to screw in the screws in the screwdriver. That one doesn't seem to want to screw in. Fuck it. We'll just skip to the next one. Hopefully at some point we'll be able to get them all in. Oh, there we go. That one goes in fantastically. And there we go, we've installed the motherboard. Now apparently what we want to do next is put in the RAM, I guess, right? So we're going to go ahead and stick this RAM in here. We're just going to ram it in. It doesn't seem to really be going in very well. I don't know, I'm not really a professional. I only have so many tools to work with. There we go, that got it in. Alright, now we're going to put this one in. Apparently they all go right next to each other, so hey, what the fuck? Right, so alright. This one doesn't seem to be going in very well either. Hold on, gotta get a good angle. RAM is very important, we want to make sure that goes in good. Alright, then we're going to put this one in right next to the other two. Important. I don't know, they just don't seem to be going in right. I don't know why. It wasn't really explained very well in the video if there's any problems, what it is you do. They all seem to be in now. That's good. We're going good so far. Alright, next we're going to put in the all-important DVD player, because, you know, you need one of those. And we're done with that. By far the easiest thing to put in so far. Apparently this little thingy here, this holds the hard drive. There we go. That's good. I imagine this goes in kind of like, I don't know, there-ish. Sorta. Something like that, yeah. Gotta make sure we screw it down. When I have everything screwed down really good. Right. It doesn't look like this needs to be screwed in any way because, you know, it's held by little metal things. Who cares about that wiggling around? It doesn't really matter. Next we'll put in this. I'm not entirely sure what this does, but it looks like it goes on the end here. So we'll just go ahead and put that kind of in like that. Sure, looks good. That goes down like that. Apparently that just kind of sits. Doesn't look like there's anywhere for screws to go in, so we'll just accept that that's just going to be like that. Next we should put in the power thingy. I guess this kind of goes in here-ish. so it can be plugged in. There we go. That looks good. See where we screw that in at? Apparently this screws in the back here. Alright, we'll just screw this puppy in. I might have it in wrong, but I don't know. Maybe I have the wrong size screws. Nope, that looks like that's working. Alright. So we screw this in like so. Oh, very good. Perfect. Yeah. And I can't be fucked to mess around with all these screws, so I'm just going to leave it with one screw in. Doesn't matter. Who fucking cares? Right. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to put in this fan. Apparently the fan goes this way. Wait. The fan would turn like that. Yeah, okay. So we want it to blow the air out. Right? Or no, we want it to blow the air in. Yeah, we want to get all that cool air into the PC. So we're going to put this puppy in here like this. Screw it in. Get those screws started. All this screwing stuff in is taking fucking forever. I want to get to playing games, so we're not going to fuck around with the rest of the screws. We're just going to, put the 2 in. 2 is good enough. Holds it 1 in each corner. Now, I imagine things get plugged in places. This looks like that's got 4 thingies. I don't know. This has got 4 thingies. So this probably goes fucking somewhere, but I can't see anything. Oh, that's a big one. There's a big one down here. We'll plug this big thing into this big thing. Perfect. There's a little fucking thingy with 4 little thingies. I don't know. There's 4 thingies there. That can go there. Ooh, this looks like this goes into the hard drive. I don't know. It doesn't look like it entirely fits, so it might not actually go in the hard drive. Oh, there we go. You know what they say. If it won't go in easy, just force it. Yeah, I don't know. That looks like everything that really needs plugged in. I imagine these things need plugged in somewhere. Hold on, where can we plug these in? And another little 4-pronged thingy. That looks like that can go there. Great. There's another little thingy with prongs. That can go there. Perfect. This thingy's got some prongs. It can go right there. Perfect. They all fit perfectly. I couldn't imagine that it would be this easy to build your own PC. But apparently the things just go where they kind of fit. This one doesn't seem to be fitting anywhere, so I guess it's not really all that important. Fuck it. Alright. This thing looks like it goes in somewhere. This looks like a little male thing, so this probably goes into a female thing. Haha. Not that there's only 2 different types of plugs. There's a multitude of different types of plugs. Any kind of plug that just kind of fits your mood at the moment. That's where you can stick it. Oh, this looks like this could go in here. Perfect. Right on. Alright, so now that we're at the end, you want to put in the most important thing, the CPU. I got this little thingamabobby right here. That's my, I think that's the CPU. And I guess that goes... Boy, all these wires are just in the way. Why would they put this in last? I don't fucking doesn't make any sense. So I imagine this just kind of goes, however, that fits perfectly just like that. That'll go right there. Snap that puppy down. It's like a mousetrap. Now they said to use a whole lot of thermal paste. This looks like this could be an old PC. I don't know. It doesn't look like there's any thermal paste on it anymore. So what we're going to use, since I don't have any thermal paste, is some ketchup. There we go. That looked about like as much as they put on it. That's perfect. Alright. And we'll just go ahead and smash that puppy down. God, I love ketchup. The smell is just wonderful. And we screw that in. Alright. Just like so. Like I said, we ain't fucking around with this thing all day. We got gaming to do, so we're just going to do 2. Sure, that looks good. I got some extra wires here. Not entirely sure what they're supposed to go to, but I imagine they go inside, so we'll just go ahead and pop those fuckers in there. Ooh, the front plate. Yeah, we're gonna pop that front plate on. It doesn't really seem like it wants to go. Hey! Perfect. There we go. That's just wonderful. I got a whole bunch of screws left. Now, I imagine everything that came with the PC is supposed to go into the PC, but I have all these, I have all these screws left. So this looks like a good cup for holding screws. We'll just go ahead and pop those in there. Alright. Learned all this from the Verge, did you? Yeah, absolutely. They're the best for building PCs. Go ahead and slap this motherfucker right on. Right, ready? Oh, look, that little tabby is supposed to go in there. Pop that little tabby. Little tabby's starting to piss me off. Alright. Go ahead and put this thing on. Like so. Fantastic, man. I'm excited to play my gaming PC. This is going to be good times, folks. Good times. I have to share with you guys all the fantastical games that I can play on my new gaming PC that I built myself with the help from the Verge. That screw doesn't really seem to be fitting. Maybe we'll be able to screw it in up here at the top. Fuck it, we'll just use one screw for the back. There's only space for 2 screws anyways. So that means we only need 1, right? We're reducing by half. Oh shit! I forgot another screw. Damn it. Well, we got leftover screws and a leftover wire. We can pop that open right there. Just put that extra shit right in there. I imagine it's not really needed for anything. I mean, otherwise, why would they send me extra screws and wires, right? Perfect. Come on. Get in there, you bitch. Great. Let's go ahead and make sure that stays down. Perfect. Alright, there we go. Isn't that great? We've made our very own gaming PC. Fantastic. I can't wait to get this thing plugged in and loaded up. Alright, there you go. As you can see here, it's the one on the right, folks. The one I just built. That beautiful gaming PC. Look at how fantastic it looks with its lights glowing. You can see all inside there. The fan placement is perfect and everything. Man, this is just wonderful. Now, I don't know about you guys, but when I build a brand new PC, I really like to test its capabilities. So we're going to start off with Maniac Mansion. It's good. It's 8-bit. You know, it takes a lot to use it. It's not something you can just throw on and play, folks. It doesn't work that way. Here we are, look at that. Look at how amazing this thing looks. Let me see if I can straighten the camera for you. Oh. Man, the Verge has really helped me out here. Always gotta have, wait, can't have him. Are you kidding me? We need the lady, and we don't want any white people. All we want is minorities here. This is how we play. Ah, god damn it. Well, we're stuck without a goddamn minority. We have a white person in the group. I hate having white people in my groups. I'm glad we got the black guy. I'm glad we got the lady. She looks fantastic. Man, I don't know. This just looks great. Oh, this is just fantastic. Look how well this thing plays. I think I'm getting 5 frames per second here. This is great. Oh, look at this. Just look at how fantastic. Watch him walk. Jesus Christ, look how quickly these guys walk. Ooh, this gaming PC's got its shit, don't it? Oh, walk the sign. Look at that. Let's go over here and talk to this fantastic lady. Nah, fuck that. We don't need to talk to her. We'll go over here. Oh, look at this. Look at these graphics. Just amazing. Yeah, the Verge really taught it well, Earl. Ah, this is just great. I'm so glad I was able to build my brand new gaming PC, all with help from the Verge. I mean, I don't mean to toot my own horn here, folks, because I didn't really do much. I just followed their directions, but as you can see, they do amazing work there. It's an amazing build. I highly recommend it. And they spent $2,000 on their PC. I thought that was ridiculous. I spent $4,000 on mine. If you're gonna do it fucking right. That's what I always say.